A good eater, Gus? You're eating zucchini? Zucchini. You call it quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah.
Quinoa.
Cheese. And zucchini. And carrots. No feet on the table. No feet on the table. Be a nice boy.
Mima.
Mima. Zucchini. Such a boy. No feet on the table. They don't belong there. Do you like cheese? We don't feed cheese to your toes. Let's put your foot under the table. You gotta get some manners. Thank you. Can we sit up? Sit up. Sit up straight. Well, let me put the phone down. I'll help you.